This video will demonstrate how to find the sample standard deviation using the calculator when the data has been grouped into a frequency distribution. As we saw in an earlier video, when the data has been grouped into a group frequency distribution and you want to put the data in the lists in the calculator, you have to find the midpoint of each of these classes. And so to find the midpoint, the easiest way is to take the lower limit, the upper limit, add them together and divide by 2. So 1 plus 9 is 10 divided by 2 gives you 5. That's the middle number, the midpoint. And do the same thing here. 10 plus 18 is 28 divided by 2 is 14. Then when you come over to your calculator, you can put that in your list. And I've already entered these in here. I put the list 1 as the midpoints and then your list 2 as the frequencies. Once you have that accomplished, then you touch the stat key and you take your right arrow key and click once to bring the cursor over to the word calc. We're still working with one variable. There's just one variable here. So we're on number 1. You enter. At this stage, it depends on whether you have a little bit older calculator or not. If you are only seeing the word one variable stat on here, if this is what you're seeing on your calculator, one var stat like that, you have to tell it that you have 2 lists in here. So you'll end up having to tell it list 1, list 2 like that. And the way that you do it, again, is to touch the second function key. So click that, then click the 1 key. That gives you your L1. The comma key is right here. Then second, 2, that gives you your L2. And then you can just go ahead and enter. For those of us whose calculator looks like this, we need list 1 here. Then I'm coming down and I'm going to touch second, 2, and that'll put my list 2 there, and then come down onto calculate and enter. After that, our screen should look the same, and the sample standard deviation is right here beside the S, the 12.93. So this is sample data. You want the sample standard deviation right there.